Hi, I'm Jake Bellum, and this is our Period B Group Wiki project. Our topics were conversion problems and dimensional analysis. Enjoy.
Hey guys, how you doing? I'm just going to talk to you real quick about dimensional analysis. So pretty much dimensional analysis is a quick and easy way to solve a problem in which you need to convert between different units such as kilometers and meters, grams and kilograms, and anything like that. It's real simple. First, you just need to state your destination point including units. Second, you need to list all the conversion factors needed to get to your destination. And third, you multiply your starting measurement by the conversion factors. And that's pretty much it. See ya.
Okay, so for an example on how to use dimensional analysis, let's say you want to convert, 3 kilometers into millimeters. Well, first you would put your objective equals, and then 3 kilometers times. Now you want to probably simplify this into meters first so that it's just easier, so there's less numbers floating around. So it would be meters over kilometers because you want to try and cancel out the kilometers. So then you would put how many meters per 1 kilometer, which is 1,000. So those cancel out, and then you're left with, and then you want to multiply that to millimeters, so you would have millimeters over meters, because again you want the meters to cancel. You'd have 1,000 millimeters over 1 meter. Those cancel, and then you're left with 3 times 1,000 times 1,000. So basically 3 times a million, which is 3 million. So in that case, 3 kilometers equals 3 million millimeters. Just like that.
To begin a conversion problem, we first have to understand what the problem asks. One of the most important aspects of this is knowing the SI prefixes and their values. Let's take for example the problem of converting 500 kg into ng. What is a kg? What is an ng? What is their relationship? Here's the chart of important prefixes that we must know and understand. Mega, kilo, hecto, and deca are important prefixes that will increase the value of a unit by a power of 10. In this chart from the book, we can see that the prefixes deci, centi, milli, micro, nano, and pico will decrease the value of the unit by a power of 10. The prefixes mega, micro, nano, and pico you will have to memorize. So back to our problem, we now begin to understand how to solve it. The kg stands for kilograms, which is 1,000 times greater than the base unit. The ng means nanograms, which is 1 billion times smaller than the base unit. There are 1,000 grams in every kilogram, and there are 1 billion nanograms in every 1 gram. After doing the analysis and arithmetic, we are able to find that there are 500 trillion nanograms.
Today we're going to be talking about conversion factors. Conversion factor is an equivalent measurement that is used to convert between units. Here I have the conversion factor 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. It's important to remember that the smaller number, which is 1, is always paired with the larger unit, which is meters, and the larger number, 100, is always paired with a smaller unit, which is centimeters. This is a problem using conversion factors. We need to convert between 4.5 hectometers, and we need to convert that to meters. So here we have the conversion factor 100 meters equals 1 hectometer. To use the conversion factor, we multiply 4.5 hectometers by the conversion factor. 100 meters equals 1 hectometer. When we multiply, we cross out hectometers and are left with 450 meters. Moving on to the next problem. Here we have convert 4 kilograms to grams. The conversion factor 1,000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram is already written out. So, to use this conversion factor, we would write 4 kilograms, the conversion factor itself, then we would multiply. When multiplying, cross out kilogram, and you are left with 4,000 grams. Now it's time for some practice. Convert 100 decimeters to meters using the conversion factor 1 meter equals 10 decimeters. You can pause the video here if you need extra time. You should have gotten 10 meters, and this is all the math done out. Now, one more problem for practice. Convert 1,000 kilometers to meters using the conversion factor 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer. Your final answer should have been 1 million meters, and here's the math done out.